Let's start strong and clear. This video isn't for everyone. If you're looking for comforting words, fluffy affirmations, or gentle pats on the back, please, just close this video now. I'm serious, you're in the wrong place. Go find someone who tells you you're perfect the way you are. Because here, that's not our game. But if you're here because you crave something greater, something deeper, something that can finally give you the power, control, clarity, and abundance you've always desired, congratulations. You're exactly who this video was made for. You're exactly the kind of person Templum Dianae wants to talk to. You see, meditation isn't the harmless wellness trend the Guru Wankabis and Zenpreneurs flooding your social media want you to believe. Those trendy meditation apps, shallow influencers, and crap astrologers who learned mindfulness yesterday, they don't understand the fire they're playing with. Meditation, especially something as profound as astral projection and shadow work, isn't a lighthearted hobby. It's a powerful psychological and spiritual tool that can radically transform or disastrously damage your mind and your life, depending on how you use it. Let's be brutally clear. When practiced incorrectly, meditation can lead to terrifying psychological consequences. Imagine this vividly. You're sitting there, trying some random meditation technique you found scrolling TikTok or Instagram. It seemed harmless, but suddenly things start feeling strange. You lose connection with your sense of self. Your emotions go numb. You feel detached, as if watching your life from the outside. Welcome to dissociation. This isn't enlightenment. It's a psychological disaster waiting to happen. And guess what? Cults and manipulative organizations have understood this for decades. They deliberately misuse meditation to weaken the psychological defenses of their followers, making them malleable, controllable, and vulnerable to exploitation. Your mind is your greatest asset, but in the wrong hands, it becomes your greatest liability. Cult recruiters thrive on those who've unknowingly damaged their minds through improper meditation practices. They're counting on your ignorance. If you've been trying random breathing hacks, following superficial advice from self-help hustlers who couldn't differentiate a vagus nerve from a vegetable, you're playing Russian roulette with your nervous system. The stakes are your sanity, your identity, your very control over your life. That's not exaggeration. It's documented psychological reality. Now, enough about the problem. Let's shift to solutions. Real, reliable, and safe solutions. You need expert guidance and structured meditation techniques. That's precisely why Templum Dianae exists. Unlike the flashy gurus selling vague promises, Templum Dianae is a globally recognized authority in meditation, spirituality, and esotericism. With thousands of real students around the world, extensive publications, and internationally acclaimed teachings, Templum Dianae offers a safe path through the complexities of your subconscious mind. Why is Templum Dianae uniquely trustworthy? Because unlike random influencers or opportunistic trend chasers, our methods are backed by years of research, deep psychological insights, and proven techniques taught consistently worldwide. Without a structured, guided method, you risk rewiring your subconscious in harmful ways. This isn't something you want to gamble with, trust me. Today, I'm here to unveil the most powerful method Templum Dianae has ever shared: astral projection and shadow work meditation. Now let's unpack exactly what astral projection is, why it matters, and how it directly connects to shadow work meditation, without any spiritual fluff, just straightforward scientific clarity. First, let's crush a major meditation myth: the idea that meditation is about emptying the mind. You've heard this, right? Well, it's complete nonsense. Meditation isn't about making your mind blank. Your brain doesn't even function that way. Meditation is about focusing your attention clearly and deliberately on one specific object, sensation, or state of being. It's about retraining your nervous system, making it comfortable and safe in states of stillness, silence, and internal exploration. When we talk about astral projection, we're referring specifically to the ability to consciously experience leaving your physical body and exploring what some traditions call the astral plane. Now, before you dismiss this as mystical nonsense, understand something critical. The astral experience is a deeply psychological and neurological event involving your autonomic nervous system, vagus nerve activation, and advanced states of neuroplasticity. Here's a simplified breakdown. Your autonomic nervous system has two modes: sympathetic, fight or flight, and parasympathetic, rest and digest. Most people today are stuck permanently in sympathetic overdrive, chronically stressed, anxious, and emotionally volatile. Proper meditation techniques, especially astral projection combined with shadow work meditation, intentionally shift your nervous system into the parasympathetic state, activating the vagus nerve, a crucial nerve linking brain and body. By gently controlling breathing, especially lengthening your exhalations, you signal safety to your nervous system. Over time, your brain literally reorganizes itself through neuroplasticity, forming new neural pathways that dramatically reduce stress, enhance emotional stability, and sharpen mental clarity. But astral projection meditation goes a significant step beyond standard meditation. It creates a deeply altered psychological state, enabling you to vividly experience a separation between your conscious awareness and your physical senses. In this state, you directly access your subconscious mind, the place your deepest beliefs, patterns, and traumas reside. This is where shadow work becomes essential. Shadow work isn't about simply accepting whatever your subconscious presents to you. That's dangerously passive and counterproductive. Your subconscious isn't some wise oracle. It's more like a recording device, capturing everything since childhood: traumas, beliefs, parental programming, societal conditioning, random fears, and limiting beliefs. If you passively accept your subconscious, you accept all that programming, letting it dictate your future. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, real shadow work meditation involves actively observing your subconscious patterns, understanding them clearly, and then intentionally rewriting, healing, and reshaping them. It's about taking control, not surrendering it. Astral projection is uniquely powerful for shadow work because it allows direct, vivid encounters with your subconscious, making transformation quicker, deeper, and lasting. But be warned, astral projection done incorrectly, without expert guidance, can be psychologically harmful. Confusion, anxiety, fear, panic, even lasting dissociation are real risks. That's precisely why you need structured, authoritative guidance from proven teachers. Enter the new book from Templum Dianae, Astral Projection: Unveil How to Travel the Astral Plane and Out-of-Body Experience with guided meditations and techniques to unleash your inner power. Unlike shallow, potentially harmful books written by people who discovered astral projection last week, this authoritative guide is based on decades of real-world experience, deep psychological understanding, and globally tested techniques. Templum Dianae's structured method ensures psychological safety, profound transformation, and genuine empowerment. Inside this groundbreaking book, you'll find step-by-step guidance on achieving safe, controlled astral projection states, consciously exploring your subconscious mind, performing real shadow work to reprogram deep psychological patterns, utilizing vagus nerve techniques for relaxation and safety, building powerful new neural pathways through proven meditation methods. Let's be very clear. This book isn't optional if you're serious about astral projection and shadow work. Without proper guidance, you risk significant psychological harm. With structured, expert guidance, you unlock incredible mental clarity, emotional stability, and personal power. Now, if you're ready to take the next step, I strongly urge you to get your copy immediately. The book is available right now on Amazon, in all major languages, in every Amazon store worldwide, and in top online bookstores globally. Click the link in the description below, or simply search Templum Dianae Astral Projection on Amazon. But pay close attention. The launch promotion ends this Friday, the 25th. Until then, you can grab this definitive guide at a special introductory price. Don't delay. This isn't something you want to miss out on. You've waited long enough for genuine, lasting transformation. Don't let this opportunity pass you by again. Finally, if, and only if, you're serious about genuine spiritual, psychological, and personal empowerment, follow our channel. Next up, we'll dive into how to start meditation, debunking popular myths, and revealing powerful techniques For beginners and experienced meditators alike, this is your moment. No excuses, no delays. Step into your full power, control, clarity, and abundance right now. Grab your copy today, follow the link, and begin your transformation with Templum Dianae. I'll see you in the next video.